Yeah, so we are going to look at the test for vitamin C. I'm still your teacher Osbert Nwarinda. Vitamin C is also called ascorbic acid. This is present in very many fruits, which mostly are citrus fruits like oranges and so on and so forth. How do we test for it? When you check here, we use a chemical which is known as DCPIP. DCPIP is dichlorophenoindophenol. Dichlorophenoindophenol. So that's the name of DCPI. That's the thing that we shorten and call DCPIP. Yeah. So because you use this chemical, that's why you call it DCPIP test, and we are testing for vitamin C. So how do we do this one? This is very unique because in this case, the only experiment is only practical part where in the most of the other practicals we first add, we get the food, then we add a reagent into the food. But in this case, it is the other way around. In this case, we are going to get instead of adding the reagent into the food, we are going to get the food and add it into the reagent. Have you heard? It is so unique. So we shall say here to 1 centimeter tube of DCPIP solution in a what? In a test tube. In a test tube, comma. The food solution is added, but we have been writing not in a reported speech. So we are going to say the 1 centimeter tube of DCPIP in a test tube. Add what? We are going to say add food solution, dropwise or drop by drop until there is no further change. Yeah, so it means when you're writing in a reported speech, you will say that to 1 centimeter tube of DCPIP solution in a test tube, food solution is added drop by drop or dropwise until you can say, if you're writing in a reported speech, you can say 1 centimeter tube of DCPIP solution in a test tube. Food solution was added drop by drop. Food solution was added drop by drop or dropwise until there was no further change. That is in case you're writing in a reported speech. So in this case, we are getting the reagent in a test tube, then we are adding the food solution drop by what? Drop by drop. Yeah, as simple as that. And what do you observe? What do you expect? DCPIP solution. As a solution of DCPIP, the solution of DCPIP is as very simple as the way you see it here. It is blue in color. However, this blue is too different from this other blue. This blue for copper 2 sulfate of benedict is too light, but this one is deep blue. It's a deep blue solution. Yeah, deep blue. Some people think it is black, but it is deep blue solution. Yeah, so it's what we are going to use. Now, I have a mixture. I have a mixture here, which is I have an orange. I have a lemon. So this is a lemon. I'm going to get juice from this lemon. Remember, I already have juice from a pineapple. I have juice from one was pineapple, another one was yellow banana. Yeah, so this was from a yellow banana. This was from a pineapple. This was from the yellow banana. So I'm going to get the other juice, which is from what? From a lemon, and then we shall carry out the DCPIP test on them. So when I open this, yeah, and then I squeeze out the juice which is in there, and I get out the juice which is in here, and then we carry out the test on it. I expect to find there vitamin C. I expect to find a lot of vitamin C here. Yeah, so this is the juice from lemon. Like this. So I'm going to put this side for it. Yeah, so this is lemon, this is yellow banana, and then this is pineapple. Yeah, so we are going to carry out the test on them. So what do I do? Here, I am going to get my test tube. I'm going to get a test tube like this, which is very clean. I put there 1 centimeter tube of DCPIP. So I get a test tube. I put 1 centimeter tube of DCPIP. Yeah, this is the 1 centimeter tube of DCPIP. Yeah, after I've done that, So I'm going to get a dropper. I'm going to get a dropper, which I'm going to keep using, which I'm going to use. So I'm going to borrow this dropper here. I'm going to use this dropper here, but I'm going to first clean it because I'm picking it from a different place. So I'm going to first use it here. So I'm first cleaning it. Those ones who don't know how to clean a dropper, yeah, you come and press it here like this. Water goes there, then you press. Yeah, press. Water enters there. Shake, then put it there like that. So after I'm sure that this dropper is clean, I can start using it in different solutions. So if I have my DCPIP, you see it is blue in color. Actually, it is deep blue. It's deep blue. You can just simply say it's blue. So I'm going to come and I pick drops of juice from what? From lemon. That one is from the lemon, the one I've got from lemon. And then I'm going to add. So as I add, I request that you keep looking at the drops, how many drops I'm adding there. So 1, that is 1 drop. 2, that 2 drops. 3, that 3 drops. 4, 4 drops. 5 drops. 6 drops. I want it to, I'm supposed to 7 drops. 8 drops. 9 drops. 10 drops. 11 drops. 12 drops. 13 drops. 14 drops. 15 drops. 16 drops. 17 drops. 18 drops. 19 drops. 20 drops. 21, 22, 23. Yeah, so I am supposed to add until when this thing it is supposed to be turning into colors. So this is so far 21 drops. So when I look at this 21, 22, so when you check here, 22, those are 22 drops, then 23, 24, 25, 26, yeah, 26, you can add 27, 28. Yeah, so when you check here, we are supposed, when you look at what we had, what we have just got here, and what we originally had in a test tube here, if I can pick this original sample here, and I put it here like this, when you see the two, you will see a very big difference. So we are saying in presence, these are around 20, 23, 24 drops. So we are saying that if you have something, if you have a food solution which has got vitamin C, and you get that vitamin, you get DCP, you get that food solution, you add it into vitamin C, the vitamin C changes from its deep blue solution into colorless. So it means now this DCPIP has turned from blue to colorless solution. Yeah, so when we come here to write, we come and say that when we come to write here, we shall say the observation is that originally our color, we will now write the color of the solution we had at first. So the solution we had at first was DCPIP. So it means we are going to begin by saying the blue solution of what? Of DCPIP. Well, after adding drops until no further change, what happened? Turned into what? Turned into a colorless what? Into a colorless solution. So that's the observation as far as DC, as far as vitamin C. We also don't have those things of moderate, little, or no. As long as the vitamin C is present, we shall have the blue color of DCPIP turn into colors. The only difference is in the number of the drops. When you need more number, when you add number, if you have vitamin C when it is in high concentration, you just add a few drops and the thing's done. But when you have vitamin C when it is less, you add very many what? You add very many drops. Yeah, so that's the difference. But all in all, as long as the DCPIP solution has turned from blue to colorless, then we say, as long as you're able to see DCP turn into colorless, then we are able to say that vitamin C is present. Vitamin C is present. That means in case if we don't have any vitamin C, you come and say the blue solution of DCPIP turned to, let me do that one for you. Let me do that one for you before. Yeah, so in case we don't have the blue solution of DCPIP turns into a pale blue. Actually, here it is deep blue, so you say a deep blue solution of DCPIP turns into a pale blue solution. Here, vitamin C is absent. So when vitamin C is absent, we are saying the DCPIP turns from being deep blue into pale blue. For example, if I have my water, if I get a small sample of water here, which has no vitamin C, if I have water here, now instead of adding, so I have my DCPIP here, then I pick quantities, I pick solutions of what? I pick water. If I come and I pick water, this water and I add, water has no vitamin C. So even if I add very many drops here, the things will not what? The thing will not keep on, will not turn. You see, if I keep adding, you see the solution will not turn colorless. It will just remain blue. You see, but the only difference is that it has turned from being deep blue, it has now become pale what? Pale blue. But the color has not what? Changed. Even if I add like what? Even if I get this one here and I pour here, it just what happens? Just it becomes pale blue just, but it cannot become colorless. So that's the difference there. Yeah, so that's the observation as far as vitamin C is concerned. The difference will be, if you test the vitamin C here, the vitamin C in a yellow banana, the difference will come in number of the drops. So the one which has more vitamin C, you need fewer drops, but the one which has a lot of vitamin C, you need more drops. So that's how we test for vitamin C. Thank you very much. We meet in the next episode.